Benefits of getting square dining tables. Dear friends, it is observed that most of the families ensure that they spend time at least one meal with their family members. Usually, people love dining at a dining table with all the family members sitting around the table. So, the dining table must be of the appropriate size as well as shape that will include all the members of the family in the most comfortable yet stylish manner. Depending upon the number of members and the space available in your dining room furniture, kitchen, or living room furniture, if you decide to have square dining tables, then you are sure to enhance the beauty of your space. Square dining room tables allow everyone to sit around comfortably and talk comfortably with each other, rather than shouting at the table to hear each other's voice. There are many factors associated when it comes to purchasing a square table for your dining space. Moreover, there are plenty of benefits to getting square dining tables. Once you are determined to have square dining tables, you can look for the appropriate size and number of chairs that will fit in the place perfectly. There are several benefits associated with square tables. They are sure to fit in any place ideally. Square tables fit in any corner or space of your home, office, cafe, restaurant, or bar, which creates a striking atmosphere everywhere. They make an exceptional addition to any place, doesn't matter in which style your room is being styled. Square dining room tables come in different materials such as glass, wood, metal, chrome, plastic, and many more. Depending upon the rest of the furnishing that is used in the rest of the room, you can pick the same material to complement the existing decor. These tables come in a variety of styles, designs, materials, finishes, shapes, sizes, and colors to suit every type of dining space. With square dining room tables, you can save lots of space, as you can put the dining chairs under the table when not in use. Apart from providing you with comfortable seating, square tables also provide you with enough space for keeping your plates as well as serving bowls and water. Depending upon the number of people and the size of the table, you can comfortably accommodate the appropriate number of people at the table. Whatever you choose, square dining tables are sure to increase the beauty of every space, making it appear more stylish as well as magnificent. Here are a few benefits of square dining room tables, which help you give your space a stylish yet functional look, making the place appear more elegant and fabulous. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.